What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. We're going to be unboxing and trying on the April 2022 Ice Cream Beauty Box. I love this subscription box. And if you're not familiar with the Ice Cream Beauty Box, it's $25 a month. It's very heavily on the makeup side. I've been getting it since like December, and I've only received like 2 skincare products. So if you're looking to build your collection, this would be a great subscription box to do that with. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. They also have a bag that's like $12.50 a month, but the box you get 5 to 7 full-size items. So far, I've loved every single one of my boxes. So this month is You're Blooming, and this is what the card looks like. And first thing we're going to look at is, of course, the palette, because this is the star of the show, let's be real. This is the Ace Beauté palette. This palette is going to retail for $40, so you already got your money out of this box just with this one palette. And this is a gorgeous palette. I love Ace Beauté. They are so good. I also have a coupon code for the ice cream box, so if you guys are wanting to sign up, you can use code Michelle10 and get 10% off your first box. I will have the website linked down below for you guys, as well as my code in the description box too. Next up is going to be this, and this is Be a Bombshell Eye Base. It's a teal color, so I mean, you could use this as an eyeshadow or an eyeliner. But I love the color. It's a beautiful color. And that retails for $14. Next up is going to be the Mirabella Winged Liner Stamp. This is $20. Now, I'm used to like the Eye Method Beauty one, and it comes with 2 stamps. This one comes with just one, so you get the wing stamper on one end, and you get the eyeliner on the other, which is kind of nice that it's just one. You don't have to like switch back and forth. You're just using the same stamper for both eyes. Next up is Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder, and this retails for $30. Holy moly. I'm not sure about the banana powder. I mean, usually banana powders are too yellow for me, but we're going to try this one out today and see how it works. And last but not least is the Girl Lactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss, and this retails for $20. And it smells just like roses, so it's really pretty because it has like rose petals in the actual gloss. But I'm just not a fan of like flowered scented anything. It reminds me of a funeral home, so I'm not a fan of like flower scented anything. I'm just not crazy about it. But if you like flower scented stuff, you're gonna love that lip gloss because it smells just like roses. I mean, it really does. But yeah, I like more of your sweet smells, more of your like vanilla cake scents instead of the flowery smells. But that's just my personal opinion. So yeah, this box is, so far, we're doing good. I'm liking everything in here. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the banana powder because I have my foundation, eyebrows, and concealer done. So I'm going to go ahead and set underneath my eyes with this banana powder and see how we look. Like I said, most of the time banana powders are too yellow, so hopefully this one's not too bad. Actually, I don't mind this one. It's really not too bad. It's not looking too yellow. And of course, girl, I'm gonna clip my hair back because this is in my way. You know what? I think what I'm gonna do is just take a fluffy brush and just set my whole face with this. So really, you guys, this banana powder is pretty good. It didn't make me look too yellow or anything, so I like that. Awesome. So I'm going to jump off camera, do my bronzer, blush, and things, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back, and I'm going to go ahead and use this lip oil. Now, I just took a lip liner and kind of filled in my lips a little bit, so Smells just like roses though. I'm just not a fan of flower smells, so that's why I'm kind of like sticking my nose up to this a little bit. It feels really good on the lips though. And of course the smell goes away after you like apply it. You can't keep smelling it, so it's not bad. But to be honest with you, I probably will just go ahead and give this to my daughter because I'm just not a fan of the smell. But other than that, it seems like a nice lip oil, actually. We'll see how it does on my lips to decide if I keep it or not. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I think I'm just going to keep this neutral today. I think I'm going to go in and start with this nutmeg shade right here in my transition area. I absolutely love Ace Beauty shadows though. They are so good. I've never had an issue with them. I actually have a couple Ace Beauty palettes, so this is, even though to be honest with you, like I feel like some of these shades are in another palette from them that I have. I'll have to get my other palettes out just to see. They blend out so beautifully though. The mattes I've never had an issue with. They've never been patchy on me. And I've never had an issue with their shimmers either. Oh my gosh, I really cannot tell you guys how happy I am to get an Ace Beauty palette though in this ice cream box. So excited for this. Like so far the palettes that I've gotten, I really don't know the brands that well, but the Ace Beauty I know. So I'm excited for this. But I always love getting and trying different brands because you can discover some really nice brands and you never even knew that they existed. So that's why I love getting a subscription box, is all the different brands that you get to try that you would never try because you're not sure if you would like it or not. So that's what I absolutely love about subscription boxes. So I think the next color that I'm going to go into is this jasmine color up here. And I'm just going to use that on a flat brush. And I'm just going to put that on the inner portion of my lid. Just like this. This color is so pretty. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to just put this teal color on this outside portion here. Like I said, this color is very creamy. It's going on very nice. It is raining like crazy at my house right now. So if you guys can hear that, sorry. I was just trying to get this video filmed today because I just got this box in the mail. So I was like, I just want to go ahead and get it filmed. So I'm just going to grab a teal colored. This is actually out of the Bella Pierre kit that we got in one of our ice cream boxes, and it come with this a little loose teal color. It's a loose powder, so we'll just put that on top. Oh, now that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. I just wanted to be able to try everything out of this box. This teal color is pretty though. And I will do another video using that Ace Beauty palette. Look at how pretty that teal color is though. And that base really did make that stick so well. And I'm just going to take that first brush and I'm just going to blend back and forth over top of that line just to blend them together. Now I'm going to go back in with that first nutmeg shade and just run over just to kind of blend out that teal shade. Then I'll go back in with that first brush and just blend everything out. Then I'm just going to take a little more of that teal shade and run underneath of my lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with that jasmine shade and just highlight underneath my brow bone. And bring it into my inner corner. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to be trying is this winged stamp. Okay, so for the stamper, you just kind of want to stamp it out. You're just going to stamp it on the corner of your eye. I just like to hold it there for a second, just to make sure my line is good in there. And then you go back with the liner part and kind of connect. I love these stamps for your eyeliner. Like, I am really terrible at doing eyeliner, like horrible. And this just like saves the day for me because I can't do it without it. I don't know what it is, but I just cannot get the wing right at all without a stamp. It goes on really nicely. So no issues. I'm glad I got this. I will definitely use it. The only thing I am going to say is make sure when you store it, you lay it down so that way your liner doesn't just go to one side or the other by standing it up. You have to lay it down to store it so that way either side doesn't dry out. Okay, you guys, I'm going to finish up my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back and this is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I love it. I really love the eyeliner stamp. I honestly cannot do a winged eyeliner without a stamp, so I do love these. The eyeshadow base is beautiful. I love the color. The banana powder, I'm so surprised that I love this because I never love banana powders. They're usually way too yellow for my skin tone, but I really do like this one. I think this one looks good on me. It is not too yellow or anything for my skin. The rose lip oil is really nice. It feels good on the lips. It's comfortable. Like I said, the rose smell, it doesn't last. So I'm going to see how this makes my lips feel. I might actually keep this for like a nighttime treatment because I know that rose oil is supposed to be really good for your lips. So I'm going to try it a couple more times and see how I like it. And of course, I absolutely love this Ace Beauty palette. I cannot wait to use it again. I am definitely going to be doing another video using this palette. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!